In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a child on your tax return at Intuit TurboTax. If you're working through your return and need to include a child as a dependent, TurboTax makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to go and what to select so you can add that information correctly and keep moving through your return with confidence. To begin, sign into TurboTax and make sure you're on your tax return dashboard. From there, look for the section labeled My Info and click on it. This area is where TurboTax stores and manages your personal details, along with information about your household and dependents. If you've already entered your own information, this is the right place to continue when you're ready to add a child. Once you're in the My Info section, find the option that says Add Another Dependent and click it. This tells TurboTax that you want to create a new dependent profile and include someone else on your return. If you already have other dependents listed, this option will let you add an additional one without changing the information already there. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of dependent you want to add. Select My Child. This is an important choice because TurboTax uses it to determine which follow-up questions to ask and which tax benefits may apply based on your relationship to the dependent. After selecting My Child, click Continue. This will take you to the screen where you can begin entering the child's details. Take your time here and make sure the information matches your official records. Accuracy matters, especially for tax filing, since even small errors can cause delays or trigger follow-up questions later. Now go ahead and enter the required information for the child. This may include details such as the child's full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and other relationship or residency information requested by TurboTax. Be careful as you type and double check each field before moving on. If anything looks off, it's much easier to fix it now than after you've progressed further into the return. Once all the information has been entered, click Continue again. TurboTax will then move you to the next part of the dependent setup or continue guiding you through your tax return based on the information you provided. That's all it takes to add a child to your tax return in TurboTax. As a final tip, before you finish filing, review the dependent section one more time to confirm everything is complete and accurate. That quick review can help avoid delays and make the filing process smoother.